Now, when you're a student and you need the Unity as a student, it's really easy. You just need to get through. You can check the website. It's store.unity.com, academic unity student. So for here, we just can press access, and then it will be just showing some some path away, so you can just go through. For the first thing, you just need to go for the authorized GitHub. So you need to create or maybe sign in your Unity and GitHub accounts to authorize your GitHub. So first time you must have a GitHub account, so it will be just making you authorized, and then you go for the apply for student developer pack. So you just go for the apply. You must authorize with the GitHub. So after that, it will be just making in such a way, and then it just letting you GitHub student developer pack, and then it just written like get your pack. And now from here, as a student, it's just showing like as a student what you can get. So just get student benefit pack, and it's just asking me to log in my GitHub. So sign in. It's just asking me to verify. Now the thing is, if you check here it's written, I have two requests. I got at the first time, I got rejected because one of my study plan or the study certificate, it wasn't appropriate, so I just got rejected. You can check here, I got rejected, and then I got approved here. What you need, I'm just missing because I have already got one, and for now I can show you how to get one. It just when you are here, it will be just get your student benefits, and then there is an option, okay, GitHub Pro. It will be just asking you to okay, you can apply, and here there is some qualification as a student. You must be a student, first be currently enrolled in a degree or diploma granting courses, studies such as high school, secondary school, college, university, home schools, or similar education institution, and then have a verifiable school issued email address, or upload documents that prove your current student status, have a GitHub user account, be at least 13 years old. For here, we have an issue. You must have a GitHub user account, and you must have an email account of school provided, maybe at the rate schoolname.edu. Something. So, and or if you don't have that, you just have to upload the documents. For me, I have an email, but still they ask me for an approval. So I have my study certificate from my university, and it just got smoothly worked. I submitted the document the day I submitted. I think after 2 days I got my approval. After 2 days, they emailed me and a license number as an Unity Pro, and I was using very smoothly. Here we go. Sometimes it's giving us trouble when you get the Unity Hub for the first time, and it's really troublesome when you have a license but you don't know how to activate. Especially I got the problem when I'm using as a student. So I'm gonna check the option, the manage license, and then I'm selecting active new license, and then if you're a student and you got the Unity seed, you just select Unity Plus Pro, and then you paste you got an Unity seed ID or the license file or the license number. You just use this and click done, and it will be just working smoothly. For me, it just got extended And for me, I was using like for last 1 year, so it's just about to finish, but still like I'm using it like very very often. I think it will be very helpful for you. Just remember that you are using active, new license, and pro. If you're using student, it will be working like, if you can check it, Unity Pro. Okay, thank you.